So lay down on your side with your head supported by either a towel or your arm or shoulder, and place another towel under your bottom foot. And what I want you to do is focus on lifting your abs up. There should be some space between the ribs and the floor below you. You do want your abs to remain tight and the ribs to stay, in the same position throughout the whole exercise. You do want to glue that area of the body and get your feet up on the wall. And this helps to kind of get your brain connected during this exercise and sort of keeps your brain awake, and it really helps with some mind body awareness. So you want your feet about hip width apart, and your knees and hips should be at a 90-degree angle to the wall. Push your top hip towards the wall and then reach forward with the same hip, lengthening through the socket with your muscles. So you're not rotating your hip forward, you're just reaching with the muscles. And this helps to relax the hip flexors and allows the glutes to work 100%, the glute medius here. So reach forward the entire way up and down, with your hip, and you'll have some amazing burning results. So reach and press open with your top leg, and you'll start to feel an amazing burn in your glute. And this is all because everything is lined up correctly. So if you're not feeling a burn, then you may have to kind of readjust your form here. Your back is doing absolutely nothing in this exercise. So basically, from your belly button up, your body is totally solid, not moving. Your quads are relaxed, they're not firing. And of course, don't forget to do the other side.